Hi, I'm Naomi and today I'm with Claire and we're going to be talking about dairy-free weaning. For me, I found the whole dairy-free journey was quite difficult because I just wasn't really aware of how many things that were in the supermarkets that you could actually buy for dairy-free. What would you kind of advise to start with?
So I would go with your dairy-free options. When you're weaning, it's great to start with a variety of vegetables and move on to fruits before introducing a wider range of foods, but obviously the dairy-free foods. The key nutrients to look out for would be calcium, vitamin B12, vitamin D and iodine, which are often lower in dairy-free diets. So it's just about finding different sources of those foods. So calcium, for example, you can find in sesame seeds, so you could use tahini, for example, as a spread on finger foods. Hummus is a good example of a calcium-rich food that doesn't contain dairy. So obviously if you're not using cow's milk, then you can use milk alternatives like an oat milk. But again, make sure those are fortified, so you're giving them a wide range of nutrients. And don't use those as a main drink, just use them sort of in cooking as a replacement to cow's milk. Iodine's a really important one, really helps your little one grow and develop properly, and it's rich in cow's milk, but you can also find it in white fish and eggs. If you're avoiding those, you might want to look at a supplement. And the Department of Health always advise that you give your baby a vitamin D supplement anyway. So it's just some of those nutrients to look out for.